Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. Welcome to Super Kid Universe. I'm Alec. Today we're going to make an easy fruit salad. Let's get our ingredients. You'll need 2 medium apples. We cut ours in star shapes. 1 cup of raspberries. 1 cup of strawberries. 1 cup of blueberries. A half cup of bananas. And a 1/4 cup of walnuts. For the dressing, we're gonna mix a 1/3 cup of milk, a 1/4 cup mayo, 4 tablespoons plain Greek yogurt, one tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoons honey, 1 tablespoon lime juice, and 3 teaspoons poppy seed. Now whisk it all together until smooth. And set aside. In a large bowl, add your apples, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, bananas, and walnuts. Now pour the dressing over your fruit. And take 2 large spoons and toss together. Cover and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes to an hour. That's our fruit salad. It's easy to make and it's great to eat. Mmm, delicious. What? Thanks for watching Super Kid Universe. We'll see you next time. Ma. Okay. Ma. Stop tears, okay?